I want to show you 4 SamCart dashboards that will blow your mind. These are all real dashboards from real SamCart customers, and what you're about to see is the extra money they have made from adding one simple button to their account. So this business is in the fitness niche, and they gained $28,000 last year. This one is in the writing niche. They gained $68,000. This one is in sports, $10,000. Even the smallest number here is a life-changing dollar amount for a lot of people. And this last one is in the parenting niche. That's $154,000 gain. None of that money is coming from getting more traffic, and it didn't come from launching a new product. It came from a single checkbox shown while someone is buying their product. And in the next couple minutes, I want to show you how we just made it easier forever for you to go about collecting that extra type of cash while selling your workshops, courses, services, coaching, physical products, or whatever it else is that you have to offer. My name is Scott Moran. I'm the co-founder here at SamCart. Our customers have sold over $7 billion of their own products across more than 25,000 businesses in every niche on the planet. So as a result, we see a lot of data about what actually helps make people money on the internet. And one of the clearest patterns we have ever found is this. Customers who use this one simple feature I'm about to talk about make 7 times more revenue than customers who don't. 7 times. That's not a rounding error. That's the difference between having a hobby and turning your business into something that is real. And the feature that's powered everything we're talking about is called order bumps. And we know from the SamCart database that adding just one of these order bumps increases average order value by 31%. One checkbox and you collect 31% more cash from every single person that buys. So if order bumps are this powerful, and clearly they are, why isn't every business on the planet using them everywhere? Well, the honest answer is that order bumps are hard to make. In fact, it's pretty dang likely that the tool you're using to sell stuff on the internet right now doesn't even have them, which means they are costing you money every single time someone places an order, and you can't let them spend more. Today, we are thrilled to show you the brand new way that SamCart makes collecting this extra cash easier than ever. And the fix is a brand new feature we are calling global order bumps. So every SamCart seller now has one area where you can create order bumps one time and then attach that to as many checkouts as you want. It's unlimited and it works instantly. Let's dive into a SamCart account and I'll show you exactly how it works. So you come in here to your offers tab and then you hit order bumps. Creating a new order bump starts by picking a product that you want to offer. And then you customize how it looks. You give it an image, you give it a description, maybe a retail price that's a strike line through it. But then the magic is you can then add other order bumps to create a group of recommended products from your best-selling stuff. Customize each one, and whenever you have things looking perfect, all you need to do is decide which one of your checkouts these order bumps should show up on. With just a couple of clicks, you could deploy this group of bumps to everywhere your customers are placing an order. Meaning every single customer that comes through the door is going to have multiple bites at the apple to spend more and grow your bottom line. And the best part is, if you ever come in and change an image, you add a new order bump, you remove one, you change a description, SamCart automatically updates everywhere, so you build it once and instantly make more money everywhere your customers are buying. Do not get stuck selling somewhere that isn't helping you make more money. Too many other tools have you stuck selling one product at a time, instead of tapping into this expansion revenue that comes from allowing your best customers to spend more. Features like this are exactly why business owners on SamCart make 3 to 5 times more money than those selling on other tools. And now, the powerful features I'm talking about are even easier to use than ever, which means you have more ways to grow your bottom line. So let's go back to those 4 dashboards I showed you at the beginning. $28,000 in fitness, $68,000 in writing, $10,000 in sports, $154,000 in parenting. Well, what do these sellers have in common? They decided to stop leaving money on the table at checkout, turned on order bumps, and that revenue showed up without spending a single extra dollar on ads or traffic. The question is, how many of your checkouts have order bumps on them right now? If the answer is less than all of them, that's money you're leaving behind on every single sale. So here's what I want you to do right now. If you have a SamCart account, open it. Go to this new order bump section and build a little collection of order bumps and attach it to all the checkouts that you have out there in the world. Might take you 10 minutes, but that one change is going to bring in between 30 and 70% more revenue the moment you turn it on. And if you don't have a SamCart account yet, the link is down in the description. Go check it out, get started for free, and get tools like order bumps and all the other things that SamCart has that help our sellers make 3 to 5 times more than people are selling other places. And last thing, if you're looking for ideas on what you should sell in your next order bump or two, make sure you check the recommended video out that we'll put on screen right about now. It dives into the math where you can see how our top sellers are crossing $1 million in sales every single year by tapping into powerful features like order bump. Check it out now at the link below.